Here you go, their eBay package. I'm gonna box it right now. I couldn't get the shipping label off, but I got it covered. So. So be careful. This is not a light, bro. This is the box said it. Also, I don't really buy DEL, the luminaries, at all. I buy HID. Probably need a new DEL luminary, such as like a wrap one, because the overhead lighting is starting to fail on me. Is ordered another ceiling speaker. Looks like it came in good shape. Yep, it did. It has a Qualm driver. The grill's the Atlas P900. I think it's that. Let's sound earlier. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.